Hi, hello. You clicked this video for a specific reason. How to make a microwave grilled cheese? Well, take your bread. Okay, find your nearest toaster, shove it in there, pop. But if you have a toaster like mine, it's please focus. Okay, I have mine on like 3.5. So once that toast, we'll move on. While you wait for that to cook, get your plate and be prepared. You also need butter, about 2 slices of cheese, and a buttering knife, and also a microwave, naturally. And then you can put stuff like garlic or regular salt. All of them taste good. But once this finally cooks, I've been standing here for like 5 minutes now, I'll let you know. Alright, they're done. So what you want to do is you want to take your bread. Hot. Okay, boom, you got those. I unplugged my toaster afterward. We don't need that anymore. Alright, take your bread over by your microwave. Okay, take your cheese. Just boom. Butter. Take a buttering knife. Boom. Take your buttering knife. You want to open your butter and butter both sides of the toast. So on both pieces of toast, you want to butter both this side and this side. Alright, boom. Once you've done that, butter both sides, by the way. Don't matter if it sticks to the plate or not. It's actually meant to, more or less. Take your cheese, unwrap both pieces. Once you've done that, you can take both pieces of cheese, and sometimes what I like to do, if you want to make sure none of the stuff gets off of it, like salt or whatever, you put some salt on this piece of cheese, and then put the other piece of cheese on top of it. Like so. Boom. Put the other piece of cheese on top of it like so, and then you will have your spices in between. Now butter this piece of toast. Like so. Butter on both sides, remember? And you just place it on your sandwich, and boom, you have this rather unhealthy looking sandwich. Now what you want to do is move your butter knife and whatnot to the side. We don't need any of that anymore. Just take your microwave, take your sandwich, put it in there, and then microwave it for about a minute. And until the cheese starts melting and bubbling and whatnot. So about at this point, the cheese starts melting right there, and you can see the butter is off the top of it. Now if we end that, you'll have this. The finished product. Still a bit of butter on the top, you can just spread that over. And then you have this really squishy and mushy product. And it tastes really good. I hope you found this helpful. Really quick and easy, like 5-minute grilled cheese. Goodbye now.